A lot of you guys are requesting for this video, so I decided to let's make this video. You guys are asking me how you can start up your NFT business. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can start up, starting from how you can create your NFT profile in the marketplace, and also how you can create your NFT and also sell them fast. So make sure you watch the entire video so you can get how you can start your NFT business right from now. So let's go.
Alright, so now I'm going to be showing you how to create a professional NFT collection profile on OpenSea. So this will really help you to bring more buyers and also welcome your new buyers. So what you have to do is just to make sure your account is connected. So I'm going to be connecting this my account now. So I'm click on this, hit on connect. So now you have more option right here, but the one I'm going to be using is the MetaMask. If you are using Coinbase, you can just click on Coinbase or whichever wallet you sign in with. So I'm going to be hitting on MetaMask. Alright, so you want to click on account, then go to profile. Alright, so as you can see, this is a new profile. So I'm going to be showing you how to set it up to look well, clean and professional to welcome new buyers. So what you want to do now is to make sure you know the name which you want your NFT collection to have and your profile, so you can able to give it a very nice name. As you can see, we have the Bored Ape Yacht Club, and also we have the Mutant Ape Yacht Club, and so many of collection that they are out there that are really making huge amount of money. So now you have to make sure that you do your research about which name you want your profile to have and your collection to also have, which will really helps you on this journey. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to be hitting on this settings icon right here. So this allow you to first initiate your wallet with OpenSea. So I'm going to be hitting on sign in. Good. So now as you can see, profile settings. So this is where you set up your profile name and your banner and so many things right here. So I'm going to be walking you through how to do that. So the username, you have already chosen which name you want to bear. So but for this I just want to use let's say bored. Let me just say bored. As you can see, it said invalid username. The name is already taken, so I can use bored Yash. Let me see if Bored Yash, and you need to put something like this. Let's see. All right, I think this name hasn't been taken. So now on the bio, this is where you explain what your NFT collection is all about and what a buyer going to get after they partner with you or buy any of your NFT. So now as you can see, you can put your email address if you want them to contact you. Then your social presence as your Twitter, you can connect it to this, or your Instagram, whichever one you have. So the banner right here, you want to tap on it and you want to come down to look for a nice banner. Let me just use this. Good. Then your banner, this is the one that is going to be showing at the back of, so you have to make sure it's look aesthetics. Then you click on save. All right, as you can see, this is successfully saved. So all you have to do is click on preview. Now as you can see, you have a well professional looking profile. So now what we're going to be looking into is how to create a collection for every of your project. So what you want to do is to come down right here, then you go to accounts, you click on my collections. So now as you can see, now you want to create a new collection because we have no collection, it's just a new account. You're gonna click on create account. So now as you can see, we have the logo, so you have to put the logo of how you want your collection to look like I show you the Mutant Ape and the Bored Ape Yacht Club and the rest. So this is how you create. So then you put your feature image. It's still the same thing like a banner that you want it to appear on your account. So now the name, you can put name of your collection to be whatever name you want to name it. You can just put it, that is what is going to be showing. Like you see, we have the Mutant Ape Yacht Club, we have the Bored Ape Yacht Club. So those are the collection name you can put. Then here is where you put the URL if you want to send it to your Twitter, to your friend, so that they can check up your collections. This is where you put the URL so that it can be searchable online. So you can put it right here. Just click on this and just put the name of your collection, how you want the URL to look. So that's very simple to do. Then right here, the description, you have to write the description of your collection. What are people going to be seeing in this your collection, what you are going to be offering them, and what are they going to be getting in becoming one of your buyers. Then also, like here, you can add categories, and also you can add categories for your collections. So like you can see, you have so many links that you can link to it, so people can find you through that, your social presence. As you can see right here, we have the creator earning. What this basically means is when you sold out your NFT collections to someone and the person you sold this out to go ahead to sell out this your collection, when you set up your creator earning, this is going to be giving you a royalty gain. So you are going to be earning money back as the owner of these NFTs. So this is best way to earn passive income. So when other people sell your item, so you're going to be receiving a percentage from these transactions. So as you can see, you can send up to 10, you can send beyond that. So if I click on this, so I'm taking 10% of any sales that any other person who bought my NFT and willing to sell to other people. So I'm going to be taking 10% of their transactions. So that's simple. Then the payout address, so I'm going to be showing you how to do that, but for the security purpose I want to hide this. So I just want to hit copy. I put my wallet ID. That is where I'm going to be receiving the payment when anybody buy any of my NFTs. So as you can see, the blockchain, I'm going to be leaving it on Ethereum because that is the best. Then this automatic on default is going to mark this. After that, all you have to do is just to come down here and hit on create. This is going to be creating your collection for you. So this is how you create this very simple collection, and it will make your account look clean and professional. And I hope you guys gain value out of this. If you did, please be sure to hit the like button.
So in this video, I'm going to be showing you what tools you need to start creating your NFT business, which is entirely free, and you don't have to worry about whether you have system or not, because this is just done on your smartphone. So you can use a smartphone to create an NFT and also list them and also sell them without even bothering about getting high equipment in creating NFT. You can actually use your phone.
Alright, the first app you must have to get started with this NFT business is called Pixel app. This app is an amazing app to create NFT character. It has a lot of editing tools like Photoshop and Procreate, and also work in layer. It has a lot of functionality when it comes to creating art. Also allow you to set your canvas with transparent background. The amazing thing about this app is that it allows you to export in layer with transparent background, which you can use to create thousands of unique NFT character, just like in Photoshop and Procreate. This app is available in Play Store and App Store, and if you're having issue on how to use this app, you can check on YouTube. There are a bunch of tutorials explaining how to use this app. Moving to the next app called Bank Paint. This app has functionality just like Procreate that allow you to create unique NFT character, and also allow you to create multiple layers with transparent background, which will be useful in creating thousands of NFT unique character in a minute. It has a lot of editing tools you can use to create amazing drawing. The learning curve of this app is a little bit harder, but you can check on YouTube for basic functionality tutorial on how you can use this app to create best NFT. This app is also available in Play Store and also in App Store, so you can check them out. So let's move to the next application, and this is called Pixel Art. Some of you guys might be familiar with this app. This app is an amazing application to create amazing art design. As you can see, this app has a lot of NFT creation functionality, like turning your picture into NFT art. I made a video about this some week ago. You guys can check that, how I explained the functionality on how you can turn your picture into NFT art. This app is so amazing. You can do a lot with this app as it has a lot of editing tools. This is also available in Play Store and also in App Store. So let's move to the last but not the least app called Pixel Art. If you are fans of CryptoPunk, you should definitely check out this app. This app allows you to create CryptoPunk style and export it at high dimension. You can also create a GIF with this app. It has a lot of great tools like Photoshop when it comes to pixel drawing style like CryptoPunk style. It also supports layer with transparent background that can allow you to create thousands of unique NFT character. I use this app a lot to create my very own profile avatar because I'm a fan of CryptoPunk, so I use this app a lot. So you can check out this app also. It's an amazing app. It's available in Play Store and App Store. So we come to the end of this video, and I hope you guys have gained so much from this video. If you did, don't forget to drop a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.